Assalam O Alikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Have you ever dreamed of having a day in Makkah? One day where you can perform Umrah, pray in the Haram, and soak in the spiritual atmosphere of the holy city. Inshallah, that dream will become a reality. We begin our day by performing Umrah. We walk around the Kaaba 7 times, marveling at the magnificence of the house of Allah, renewing our faith and seeking forgiveness for our sins. We drink from the well of Zamzam and pray 2 rak'ahs at the Maqam Ibrahim. Next, we head to the Haram to offer our prayers. We find a spot in the vast courtyard of the mosque, and we raise our hands to begin our salah. We listen to the melodious recitation of the Imam, and we feel our hearts fill with peace and tranquility. Afterward, we take a break from the crowds to visit some of the historical sites in Makkah. We visit the site of the Battle of Uhud, where the Prophet and his companions faced a severe test of faith. We take a moment to remember their sacrifices and to renew our own commitment to the cause of Allah. Finally, we spend some time shopping for souvenirs and enjoying the delicious cuisine of Makkah. We savor the traditional Saudi dishes such as kabza and mandi, and we shop for gifts to bring back to our loved ones. Our day in Makkah has come to an end, but the memories and blessings will stay with us forever. We thank Allah for this opportunity and pray that we can return soon. Thank you for watching, my dear brothers and sisters. Please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos. May Allah bless you and grant you a journey to Makkah soon.